In the classic novel, The Island of Dr. Moreau, a lone scientist who lives in an island creates exotic creatures on his laboratory. He mixes plants with humans and humans with animals. In the times that the novel was written, these ideas were unthinkable or very crazy. The development and the final of this novel so make it look. But now we know that thanks to science, genetic modifications are possible and have been developed for the benefit of humanity. Food genetically processed is known as genetically modified food or transgenic food. The word transgenic refers to all living organisms that have been modified through the addition of other genes to them to achieve new and better properties. But the action of modified plants is not so new. Some anthropological research considers that our Mesoamerican ancestors transformed through hybridization procedures to teosinte or wild maize as the modern maize we know now. In the modification of plant species, there are hybridization, traditional improvement, and transgenic. The latter generates important leaps in their genetic barriers, as they are incorporated into their DNA genes from other species that would hardly be achieved from natural form, as happens with hybridization and improvement. The advantages with transgenic plants are on their capacity to resist pests and herbicides. We have one or more characteristics that were not inherited of their predecessors. While they take genes added artificially, it means fragments of DNA originate from fungi, bacteria, or virus to generate new substances that benefit us as a species or to modify the development of plants. Many of transgenic species are capable to produce their own bioinsecticides, which allow to fight the weeds and are more resistant and able to have a late maturation. These transgenic vegetables has given as a result more productive, healthy plants and with a higher nutrimental value. In the commercial application of transgenic plants are considered some potential risks that could reduce their effectiveness or generate health problems, agronomic or ecological in the near future. The possibility that the processes of transformation and regeneration of the plants generate unwanted alterations is ruled out by means of tests. But it is possible that, in the long term, effects in the environment through pollination in the plants are presented, while are compatible, but still are aspects that continue to be evaluated. Transgenic varieties designed to produce toxins against pests could have harmful effects on other species, such bees and sprockets. In this regard, strategies have been raised for their management, such as alternating sowing between non-transgenic crops in order to maintain a balance. There is also a concern for the negative impacts in nutrition and health. The risks are very low given the test and health evaluations which all the products are submitted. Other aspects that add to the management of transgenic food is the right between consumers and nations. The necessity to regulate all the aspects in the use of these products must be compatible with the international trade agreement. Genetic engineering, transgenic food, and all that involves these advantages of science is ubicated in the near future. A lot of questions and solutions to answer with efficiency to human improvement. This topic and many others related with food, genetics, and biology can be found in our emissions of Vitamina C. Don't forget to comment and share. See you in the next time.